Hi guys, in this quick video I want to show you the ballast unit of Audi Q7 Bi-Xenon headlights. To be more precise, this ballast unit is used at pre-facelift headlights from 2006 till 2009. Basically, if you don't have a low beam, it means that either your ballast unit with part number 7L0907391 is faulty, or your D1S type xenon bulb. In case of low beam failure, you have to check one of these parts for possible failure. Let me show you your xenon system in action. As you can see, the ballast unit powers the D1S type xenon bulb. So if you don't have a low beam and a high beam, of course, because these headlights are Bi-Xenon constructions, you have to check your xenon bulb or your ballast unit. Thanks for watching guys, all the best, bye for now.